Okay, so good morning, everyone. This is the lesson for le C5A and B. We're going to start with both classes. We're going to start with the chapter 4, unit 4. It's called Around the World. So we're basically going to talk about different countries and destinations and traveling. I repeat, in case you don't know. Oops, sorry. Wait a second. Sorry. So in case you don't know, this is traveling. Traveling means to travel, just basically to travel, is voyager. And maybe you have traveled somewhere else in the world, some other country, maybe in Europe, United States, Canada, China, I don't know. I hope you did. So first of all, we're gonna start with exercise 1, which is what do you know? So what can you see here? Here there's a guy and a girl, and they're clearly afraid. He's afraid of this animal, which is a crocodile. Okay, so the guy's name is Dan, and the girl's name is Maddie. Okay, so we're just gonna try to read this little part. Round the world holiday. Holiday, in case you don't know. Oops. Holiday is vacances. Please take out your copybooks if you have them. If you don't, do it now, please. And always have the section of your dictionary next to you. We're going to add a travel and destination and holiday. In case you don't know it, please use Google Translate. It's a very useful tool. Use it. You have a computer, you have internet, you have all the tools to do it, so please do. Look, there's a competition for round the world trip. So round the world, around the world. Okay. Le tour du monde. Around the world trip. The winner goes to United Kingdom, Egypt, and China, then Australia and Brazil. Wow. There's a lot of interesting places you can see in the United Kingdom. In Egypt, there are the pyramids, and in China, there's a Great Wall. In case you don't know what is the Great Wall, this is the Great Wall of China. It's a beautiful place. It's this. And it's so big that you can see it from space. Look, it's very beautiful. Look, this is from space, huh? You can see it from space. Oops. Okay, never mind. Okay. Yeah, look at this. This is from space and you can see it. It's so huge. It's big. So the Great Wall of China. Okay. So sounds great. And in Brazil and Australia, there are some beautiful beaches. But then there are crocodiles, sharks, and big spiders in Australia too. Yeah, there are. In case you don't know, guys, what is sharks? A shark is, okay, in case you don't know, crocodile is a crocodile. And spider is line, okay? So just in case you don't know. What? He's afraid. Don't worry, there are a lot of children in this competition. There's little chance of winning. Okay, so they are trying to win a competition for a trip around the world, which would be amazing. I wish I could win one as well. So we're going to jump to exercise number 3, and we're going to do listen and say, but I'm going to say it and you say. You listen to me and say, okay? So, China, Korea, Japan, Australia, the United States, Mexico, Colombia, Brazil, Argentina, the United Kingdom, Spain, Italy, Egypt, and India. Okay, so repeat these and look at the flags. I'm going to add another word, flag. What's a flag? Drapeau. Okay. These are the flags for your countries. And in question number 4, it's asked, which continent is your country in? What is our country? It is, of course, Morocco, and Morocco is in what is this continent? This continent is, of course, Africa. This, all of this is Europe. All of this, including this part, including Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Philippines, is Asia. Australia, South America, and North America. Okay, Morocco then is in Africa, of course. So here we have Africa, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, and South America. Okay, these are the 5 continents that we have in the world. Actually, it's crazy that Australia, it's so big that it's a continent by itself. Of course, you have this and this. Australia, New Zealand, and all these little islands in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. Okay? So, this is the first part. So, of course, we're going to divide our courses. When do we have class? We have class on Monday. Thursday, and Friday, and with C5A. And C5B, we have class on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Okay, so Monday, I want you to read page 48. Okay, and write words on dictionary. Here we go. Both of you on Monday. Then we're going to go to next page, which is page 49. And we have here, what do we call a section called look? What is look? To look. Okay? Regardez. Oops. So, there is a rainforest in Brazil. There is. Contraction for there is. There's. There is or there's. There's a rainforest in Brazil. What's a rainforest? It's beautiful. Sorry, guys. This is it. This is the rainforest in Brazil. It's called the Amazon. It's a forest and it rains a lot. It's called the rainforest. But in Korea, there isn't a rainforest, okay? There are some penguins in Argentina, but there aren't any penguins in Italy, okay? Where's Argentina? Argentina is Argentina is here. And it's so close to this big country, this big part of the world, which is called Antarctica. So Argentina is so close to Antarctica that you can find some penguins here in this part, because it's so close to Antarctica. Okay, because there's this part, so they can, penguins sometimes they travel. So wild vacations. What is wild? I'm gonna add it here for you guys. Wild. Okay. But sauvage in the sense that it's not like a pet. Okay, a pet is animal de compagnie. So you have it at home. It's not wild. It's not a wild animal. Wild is an animal that you find in nature, that it's not a pet, that you can't keep at home. So here we have 3 animals: penguins, monkeys, and snakes. And you have to check where you can find these, okay? If you don't know, do a research, okay? So penguins, Argentina, yes. Italy, no. China, no, I don't think so. Monkeys, Argentina, Italy, China. Okay, so for example, monkeys, you come here, Google, and you Google monkeys in China. Yeah, there are lots of monkeys in China. So here you do check, you do a little check, okay? All right, so do exercise, dictionary, exercise 5, which is very easy, huh? You just have to check or put a cross, put a check or an X. You can invent a little game here. It's we could do it in class, but we're not in class, unfortunately. But if we were in class, we would play the game. So you can try to do it by yourself on your copybook. Try to do play the game. So there aren't any penguins, there aren't any monkeys, there are some snakes. It's Italy. I can give you one. There are snakes, there are spiders, and there are monkeys. What country is it? Try to guess. It's Australia, of course. Because in Australia there are snakes, lots of them, spiders, and monkeys. Oh, there's no monkeys in Australia. Okay, so my bad. So there is, let's say, there are spiders, there are snakes, there are kangaroos. Ah, yes. Voila. Okay, it's clearly Australia. So you can try to play the game. So I'm going to add it for you. Exercise 6. And exercise 7 is basically just look and say. You don't have to do much. So boat, dog, monkey on the tree, people, rocks. Where are the rocks? I don't see any rocks. Oh yeah, here maybe. I'm not sure. I can't see well. Okay. Shark is here in the ocean. They are swimming in the ocean. In the tree, the monkey is in the tree, and on the beach. The people are on the beach. So try to make sentences. Make, let's say, three. Make 3 sentences for exercise 7. Exercise 7, here we go. Up. So this is it for Monday, basically. So now you can stop the recording and go straight to the lesson of Tuesday or Thursday for lesson 2. Okay, for C5. Here we go. Okay, so here we go for lesson number 2 for Thursday and Tuesday. So, oops. So we're gonna start with another look section. This one is questions and answers. The first one is there a pyramid in the city? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Which country has pyramids? Huh? Which country has pyramids? Of course, it's Egypt. Egypt. Okay. Very beautiful. You have 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, is there a pyramid in the city? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Positive, negative. Okay. Are there any beaches? Because you can't say one beach. You have to say multiple beaches, lots of beaches. Are there any beaches in Australia? Yes, there are some beautiful beaches in Australia. I can show you. Look, it's quite beautiful. This is Australia. It's really, really nice. I wish I could go someday. Yeah, it's wonderful. Very beautiful. Wow. So yeah, it's like this. Are there any volcanoes in the volcanoes is the plural of course, volcano. Okay. I want you to add it to your dictionary as well. Volcano. So, no, there aren't. There are no volcanoes in United Kingdom, but there are some volcanoes in Africa. Look how many. There are so many. Africa is full of volcanoes. There are so many. There's the Kilimanjaro, who's the biggest one. The Nabro, Ertale, so many. So many. Look, wow. Yeah, all of these are volcanoes. Volcano. Yep. So that's it. I just wanted to look at here, and I wanted to choose 3 sentences as well for the lesson number 2. Choose 3 sentences. No, sorry, wait. Make 3 sentences like look section. Here is there, are there, are there. Is there, are there. Okay. You can choose forest, rainforest. You can choose all of the You can choose all the different parts of a country: desert, pyramids, lake, beach. What is a lake? Once again, by the way, lake. Up. Lake is black, of course. So add it to your dictionary, please. So you can say, is there any lake in your city? Is there any river? River. It's very easy. Of course, I hope you know this. Rivière. River, lake, pyramids, forest, rainforest, etc., etc. I'm gonna just translate for you rainforest in case you don't know. Okay, rainforest like the Amazon. Okay, that we saw earlier. Exercise 11, we're gonna skip it. And we're gonna go straight to exercise 12. Sentences and do and make. I'm gonna give you just 3 sentences for exercise 12. Okay, ask and answer about your country. Are there any? No, there aren't. Okay, here you choose one country that you choose. I don't know, maybe a country you like: Russia, Australia, China, Japan. Okay, and here you do your country. What's your country? It's Morocco. So you do ask and answer about Morocco. Are there any deserts? Yes, there is. There's the Sahara, etc., etc. Okay, so for Thursday here and Tuesday here, I want you to do the same. Okay, so C5A and C5B. And now we're gonna do the final lesson for Friday with the homeworks. Okay, so you can stop the recording now. I'm gonna stop it as well and take it again. Okay. All right, so here we go for the last lesson, please. Last lesson is gonna be very easy for Friday on first C5A and Thursday. We're just gonna read the story and write the difficult words that you might not understand on dictionary. That's it. Just read and write. Quite easy. I want the C5B to do the same. So I'm gonna read it for you. First, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 images. I'm gonna read. You can listen to me, maybe repeat, and mostly you do it at home. Okay, you read at home. Okay. So, phew, what a climb. The tracks are going north. Let's look at the map. By the way, what is north? This is north. Map. We're just gonna do a map. It's quite easy. Okay. Okay. So north, south, east, west. Okay. North, south, east, west. I want you to know this word. This word tells you where is which. Okay, so okay. So you have north, south, east, west. North, south, east, west. Okay, there you go. And you have all types of compasses. Okay, so the tracks are going north. Let's look at the map. So the map is north. What's this place? Bollington Hall. Who lives there? I don't know. So they are here and they have to go to Bollington Hall, which is up north. There aren't any roads to Bollington Hall. Yes, but the tracks are going that way. What's a track? Look at it, please. Look for it. Meantime, at Bollington Hall, there are some children in the forest. Yes, boss, I think they suspect something. This is the evil, the villain. What? You must stop those kids. Get them and send them to the mainland. No, to Australia. No, to the moon. Yes, boss. Just get those kids away from here. They can't have the diamonds. Ooh, there are diamonds. Wow. Do the children want the diamonds? Why does Frost think that they want them? Discuss your answers. Wow. Yeah, discuss. What do you think? Why do you think they would like the diamonds? Why do you think they want the diamonds? I'm not sure. Try to write your answers on your copybook, maybe, if you're interested, if you want to know, if you have an idea. Otherwise, just please take every word. Like if you don't know this word, those, like those, if you don't know it, look for it. Those. Voilà. Easy. You have everything on the internet, so use it, please. It's very easy. Voilà. They can't have the diamonds, etc. So just read, and that's it. Write the difficult words on your dictionary. You have already a few here, and that's it. Just make yours and complete. I hope by the time we finish the year, you have a big dictionary with lots of words and lots of vocabulary. Okay, so here's the program again. Once again, for C5A and C5B. I'm going to leave it here for you. Try to make pause. You can make pause and read everything. Fuck, I forgot to write you the pages. I'm just gonna write the pages. So 48, 49, and 49 and 51 and 52. And page 49. Page 49, and this is page 50, right? 51. So page 49, exercise 5, 6, and 7. Page 49, then we have page 51. Yeah. And 52. Okay. And read the story, page 52. That's it. So for this week, that's all we're going to do. This is the program for the week. So make sure that you're okay with it. If you have any questions, let me know. If you need help, let me know. And that's it. I hope it was easy for you guys. Good job. And good luck for everything. See you next week. Bye-bye.